Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute segment, we will be talking about unboxing, reviewing, and of course, demonstrating how it works. This here, RTC Switchblade Trowel Kit. Now this is a very unique idea if you use more than one trowel size. This small compact box allows you to store 6 different trowel sizes along with a detachable handle here. This trowel kit idea is simply brilliant. Let's not waste any more time. Bring the camera up close, quickly unbox this, show you what's included with the kit. And of course, we will mix up some Thinset, demonstrate and compare all of the different notches within these trowel blades using clear glass to show you guys the difference with the compressed ridges of the different trowel blades. Well, here it is, guys. Small, compact case. These are the included trowel blades. Let's open it up. Nice compact plastic case. Feels very hard and durable. You've got holes back there in order to drain water and let this box breathe. This is how you open it up. Press this little button here. Slide your trowel out. And there you go. This right here is your Tiger Euro trowel. Let's show you all the different trowels, but real quick, this is how this works. You unlock like this, slide out your handle. Now this handle feels very, very solid. Good rubber, good quality. And here is your first trowel blade. Again, this is the Tiger Euro for your large format tile. And inside the box, we have 5 other trowels to show you. You slide it out just like that, your 1/2-inch trowel. You then have your 1/4-inch by 1/2-inch Euro. Your 1/4-inch by 3/8, very, very standard and popular trowel. Your 1/4-inch by 1/4-inch. And lastly, your V-notch Euro trowel here. Again, one small box houses all 6 trowels. You bring along your small kit and simply swap out which trowel you need to use for which application. You are installing large porcelain planks on the floor. You want to pull out your 1/2-inch by 1/2-inch, simply slide it in, lock it, and there you go. 1/2-inch by 1/2-inch for your flooring. Then you move to your shower walls, and let's say you are installing your subway ceramic 4x12. Remove this 1/2-inch trowel blade, very simple, and move on over to a 1/4-inch by 3/8. As usual, links will be in the description of this video below with specs and pricing. Let's mix up some Thinset, compare the ridges within each individual trowel blade. Here we go. We will start with the large trowel notch blades and then move down to the small trowel notch blades, discussing what each blade is meant for, and we will be troweling on this large glass panel in order to show you the ridges, and then we will compress the ridges with another large panel of glass. We start with the Tiger Euro trowel. Half-inch by 3/8 Euro trowel. And then one of your most popular, your 1/2-inch by 1/2-inch notch trowel. Now, moving on to your waterproof membranes and your small format tile trowel blades. 3/8 by 1/4-inch. 1/4-inch by 1/4-inch. And lastly, your V-notch. A small compact box with 6 different trowel blades, your small notches for your waterproof membranes, your backsplashes, your small format tiles, subway ceramics, your glass, and then of course your large format tiles, 12 by 24s, 24 by 24s, of course your 2 foot by 4 foot tiles as well. Let's compress the ridges with a second piece of glass. You have your small format ridges, and you have your large format ridges. Well, there you have it. 6 different trowel blades for 6 different types of tile installation, all housed in a small box with a handle, interchangeable Switchblade by RTC. We are going to definitely be putting this in our toolbox. Thanks for watching. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.